Good morning, Colts. I'm Noah.
And I am Noah, and this is both Noah's for KTV Thursday, March 24th, 2022. Hey Noah, have you heard of Ruth Bader Ginsburg?
Yes, I have. Ruth Bader Ginsburg was the second female Supreme Court justice who used her power to fight against gender discrimination. She has a lot of accomplishments, which include graduating first in her class from Columbia Law School.
She was also the second female law professor at Rutgers and also fought for equal pay for men and women. She truly is an inspiration to all young women.
Ruth even co-founded the first law journal on women's rights and the Women's Rights Project in ACLU. She passed away quite recently in 2020.
Attention all 7th graders. The planner cover contest is now available. Design next year's planner cover. Requirements include the dates 2022 to 2023, the words Kenilworth or KJHS, and an image of a horse or colt.
Turn your entry into the office at the student window. The deadline for submissions is Wednesday, April 13th.
Hey Noah, I hope the 7th grade track team is going to do well on their meet today. Let's figure this out and go to the sports corner with Adrian.
Hello, and welcome to the Sports Corner. Today the track team has a meet at 3:30. Make sure to get there on time. Sorry for the short segment today. Let's at least give you a great joke. Which fast food chain is most likely to win a basketball tournament? Dunkin' Donuts. Alright, that's all for Sports Corner. Now back to both Noahs in the KTV studio.
Thanks, Adrian. Hey, Colts. Over the past couple of weeks, you've learned about 3 major life skills we use. So now let's refresh your memory on each of them.
Alright, let's go on to empathy, which is the act of being able to understand and share the feelings of another. We can use empathy by listening carefully, recognizing emotions, and stepping into another's shoes. Not literally.
And now on to respect. The act of recognizing the importance of another or something they value even if you don't agree. To show respect, you can say thank you and no thank you, and by being thoughtful of another's feelings.
And finally, on to success, the accomplishment of a goal. To work towards success, you can be persistent, push the limits, and be passionate about what you're working towards.
All these life skills are so important for you, Colts, to have because they will help you throughout your life. They will help you in your unique parts of your life.
Empathy will help you understand another person better. This helps you to comfort them in the best way possible.
And respect can help you learn the importance of others and things in life. This helps you to build other feelings in relationships as well, like trust and safety.
Finally, success can help you build your confidence towards achieving your dreams. This can help you become more motivated to do what you want to do.
So Colts, remember to keep using these important life skills. And if you didn't understand all that, there's a video to help.
Oh my god, are you okay? I just use empathy, Colts. Hey, are these yours?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
I just showed respect.
I worked hard and now I'm successful. That's how you show success, Colts.
Speaking of life skills, we should use them more in lunch lines. What's the news on Express Line?
The principals would like you to know that the Express Line will be open as much as possible. There are some days where we don't have the staff to open it. Kenilworth is part of a bigger district, and when other schools are short-staffed, all schools help out when needed.
That's good to hear. But I'm getting hungry talking about the Express Line today. So what's for lunch today?
Today we will be having a bean and cheese pupusa, hot dog and chorito, and a hoagie turkey ham and cheese sandwich.
Be sure to eat under cover, since I'm sure there will be more rain. Let's find out in the weather studio with Sophia.
Thanks, Noah. Welcome to the weather studio. Today will be mostly cloudy with a high of 68 and a low 45. Friday will be partly cloudy with a high 71 and a low 44. This day in weather history in 1989, low pressure off the coast of Virginia brought heavy rain to the middle Atlantic coast states and heavy snowfall to the northern Appalachians. Cape Hatteras was soaked with 5.2 inches of rain in 24 hours, and snowfall totals in Vermont ranged up to 12 inches. Rain gusts to 52 miles per hour in New York City. That's all for Weather Colts. Have a great week. Back to Noah and Noah in the KTV studio.
Thanks, Sophia. Let's end today's KTV with a PSA from Manny about Kamala Harris.
Good morning, Colts. Today, let's learn about our first female president of the United States, Kamala Harris. She is our first female vice president after her lifetime worth of public service. She has been District Attorney of San Francisco, California Attorney General, and United States Senator. And throughout her career, this vice president has been guided by her own words she used the first time she stood up in court for the people.
Thanks, Manny. That's all for today, Colts. Make sure to use all your life skills.
And that's KTV.